kind of tragic कि cities used to be the hub of cultures. तो शहर से ही फिर गांव में वो काइंड ऑफ ट्रिकल डाउन होता था हाई कल्चर. तो शहर में ही आप देखते तो फिर वो बड़े ना एम्ब्रॉयडरी होगी, कारपेट्स बनेंगे यहाँ पे कुजीन होगा अमेजिंग, यहाँ पे आर्किटेक्चर अमेजिंग होगा, ख़त्म बन डिज़ाइंस बनेंगे, नक्काशी होगी, पेपर माशी होगी. तो शहरों के लोगों के कपड़े भी बड़े अमेजिंग होंगे और वो फिर परकुलेट करके वो फिर ट्रिकल डाउन होके गांव तक भी पहुंचता था. लेकिन अब शहरों ने ही अपने खुद को मीडियोकर प्रेजेंट करना शुरू कर दिया. शहरों में ही बनते थे बड़े कैथीड्रल्स फॉर एग्जांपल, बड़ी मस्जिद. तो ऐसी चीज़ें होती थी शहरों के अंदर. सो दे वुड बी मार्वलस, सिटीज़ वुड बी ग्रैंड. So you would want to visit the cities, you would meet artisans and artists and all of these people. But not anymore. When you enter into a city, all you see is a jungle, a concrete jungle, boxes ke andar boxes. So they would, modern man thinks he is free, but he has been caught in a box. He cannot think outside box. And it is literally true about modern man. He is made to believe that he is thinking out of the box, but he is actually literally thinking into a box, in a box. In a box, his room is a box. The table, study table is a box. The phone he is speaking into is a box. His washroom is a box. His wardrobe is a box. Wardrobe के अंदर के compartments are box. The drawers are box. The bottles are boxes. Everything is a box. His cars are now, मतलब वो थार को देख लिया, it's a box. बॉक्स के आगे एक और बॉक्स लगा दिया, थार बन गई. ग्रेस इज गॉन. Look at how humans are actually. Are we boxes? We are not boxes. We don't have such sharp edges. That's not the contour of our bodies. That's not how God made this world. God didn't make this world box, he made it rounded. So the elegance of meandering curves is gone. So these idiots with no taste for culture, they sit on a table, around a round table, and they don't see the irony of it, a round table in a box called a hall. And they would sit there on these boxed chairs, and they would discuss the plan for a new city. And what would they do? It would again be boxes. They would carve rectangles on the paper. That's how they would construct your cities, boxes. तो आपके सेक्टर्स फिर बॉक्सेस होंगे. आपके सेक्टर्स के अंदर फिर जो प्लॉट्स होंगे वो बॉक्सेस होंगे. वो प्लॉट्स के अंदर जो घर बनेंगे वो बॉक्सेस होंगे. उन घरों के अंदर जो कमरे बनेंगे वो बॉक्सेस होंगे. आपका बेड एक बॉक्स होगा, उसके सामने एक टीवी होगा जो एक बॉक्स होगा. टीवी के नीचे जो थोड़ी सी वो बनेगी अलमीरा, वो एक बॉक्स होगी. आपका मैक का जो डिब्बा होगा वो भी एक बॉक्स होगा. ठीक है, आपके मॉनिटर्स बॉक्स होंगे. तो एवरीथिंग इज अ बॉक्स. आपका ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स होगा, उसके अंदर पेन्स और पेंसिल्स होंगे. सो बुक्स आर शेप्ड एज बॉक्सेस. बिल्कुल. अदरवाइज दे यूज्ड टू बी फाइन आर्टिस्ट के प्रोडक्ट, बुक्स एज वेल. तो gone are the people of the taste. Now when you are living in boxes, surrounded by boxes, you think like boxes. अब तो क्या मैं बोलूँगा, रहने दे. तो अब क्लोथ्स भी में भी वो नज़ाकत चली जाती है. फिर look at whatever children wear or what we wear, मतलब I also not an exception. सबसे मिनिमलिस्टिक और सबसे जो क्लोथिंग का वो डाउनफॉल हुआ है वो रिसेंट सेंचुरीज का है. थोड़ा सा भी पीछे जाए, I talk about that Rajasthani turban. Look at the Rajasthani turban. It's marvelous. Okay, you might not be able to marvel it, and once again the failure of modern culture, that students and young have not even developed taste for culture. तो उसकी वजह से they don't feel इसमें कोई grace भी. And one of the things you would see, look at all the medievals and ancients, you would see them having something on their head. They would have turbans, etc., different kind of things, but something at least. The Muslims would have caps. तो कश्मीर में एक अपना तरीके का दस्तार होता था. The Pathans, the Pakhtuns, they would also have their own. The Sikhs, they still wear their own kind of a turban. So everyone had some kind or the other of uh, thing with which they would adorn themselves. But not anymore. Modern man has a t-shirt and a jeans. Now, they cannot even gracefully present their own selves. And that's true for our cities more than it's for our villages. The village people might still have some things जिससे वो खुद को एडॉन करे. their dresses are still थोड़े से, because रहमत और जहमत दोनों पहले शहर पहुंचती है, फिर वो गांव पहुंचती है. तो अगर रहमत होगी शहर में तो बाद में गांव भी पहुंचेगी, और अगर जहमत होगी तो वो भी बाद में. तो दोनों में देयर इज अ लैग बिटवीन अ सिटी एंड अ विलेज. तो इस मामले में भी, and that also tells you the importance of cities in a culture. So once cities take a particular shape, its surroundings are going to take that shape as well. Now that tells you the importance of, say for example, civilizations around cities. Take for example Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Valley is going to take with time colors that Srinagar is going to take. So people of Srinagar, their responsibility towards Kashmir increases manifold. And then Srinagar से उसको कहते हैं țūnఠis विशिष्ट țūnఠ रंग रटन. So one fruit catches its color from another fruit. So the other budding towns of Kashmir, they are going to look like Srinagar in future. Say Islamabad, Baramulla, Sopore, Bijbara. So they are going to be. And then these people, they also, very important for them to know what they are imitating, what they are not. So what's happening actually is, most of the bureaucrats, etc., when they are town planning, etc., where are they getting their hints? They are not getting their hints from classics of Muslim world, for example, not even Muslim world, but of the Eastern world. They don't have any Eastern conception of town planning. It's all Western. And because of which they are awed by Amsterdam, they are awed by Tokyo, they are awed by San Francisco, Vegas. They are awed by these bureaucrats, and they are awed by London and all of the things they see there, and they come back into their cities in Pune, in say Mumbai, Srinagar, and then they want an Amsterdam and Srinagar, and you know the result, what happens after that. So आपका अपना culture भी खो जाता है उससे, and the cities are not in sync with people. There's a lag between people and the city. Srinagar is a classical example. Srinagar has cycle tracks now, but people don't have cycles. They use personal transport like cars, but you have provided them with. So these things happen. So big cities, they would copy bigger cities, and then smaller cities would copy them. So the discussion started with this clothing of people, but this wasn't true for maybe 100 साल पहले भी. It wasn't true. 100 साल पहले भी people used to dress well. They were majestic. Their clothes would be embroidered. They would be worked upon. Remnants of it exist even today, more so with our women folk than with our men folk. तो कश्मीर में अभी भी तिल्ला लगाते हैं, तो आपने सुना होगा फेरन पे, या फिर कपड़ों पे भी काम करती हैं अभी हमारी लड़कियां एंड वुमेन.